Why you eating candy in my class?
Oh, she gave me this.
Oh,
No, she gave me this.
Who gave you this, Nina?
Yes. I don't know what she's talking about.
Hold up. You are eating Starburst. It's on your desk. And he's eating candy. Where did y'all get the candy from? Tori?
What?
Tori?
I don't even eat candy.
You passing out candy in my class?
They lying on
What you
me.
mean you don't eat candy? Candy $5, chips $10, drink $15. What's in this backpack?
Wait.
Oh!
That's not mine.
Oh, so you giving everybody in my class candy?
That's not mine.
Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do.
What you doing with my snack?
Don't never bring more candy in my class, okay?